Ever wondered how to make metals even tougher without turning them into brittle nightmares? Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of aluminum boron carbide composites, where science meets some seriously hot engineering. By adding ceramics like boron carbide to aluminum, you can seriously boost its strength, hardness, and thermal stability. Strength, hardness, thermal stability. But there's a challenge. Boron carbide just doesn't want to mix with aluminum. It's like oil and water. To get around that, I tried two tricks: a special flux called potassium fluorotitanate, and a touch of magnesium. Turns out magnesium did the best job, giving me a smooth, even mix and strong bonding. Once I had my samples, 4% boron carbide by volume, 8% boron carbide by volume, 12% boron carbide by volume, it was time to test their limits. First up, elastic modulus. That's science speak for stiffness. The more boron carbide I added, the stiffer the composite became. But crank up the temperature and things get a bit softer. Aluminum starts to yield under the heat. What about thermal expansion? I used a special dilatometer to heat the samples up to 500 degrees Celsius, watching how much they stretched. More boron carbide meant less expansion. That's huge if you're building something like an engine part that can't afford to warp in the heat. But the real magic? Using scanning electron microscope images. I built detailed computer models, so I could see exactly how those tiny particles, and even tiny voids, affected the whole material. With software called OOF, and some help from Abacus, I matched up my models with real-world data. I even compared classic models like Hashim, Turner, and Kerner, finding that real microstructure in those pesky pores made a big difference. Bottom line, adding boron carbide to aluminum makes it stronger, and more thermally stable, but details like particle distribution, and even tiny voids matter. Advanced modeling means I get to see, pixel by pixel, pixel by pixel, how to make the toughest, smartest composites yet.